In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch from a bicycle to a scooter on Uber Eats. Many delivery partners find that using a scooter can increase their delivery range and speed, making it a great option for those looking to enhance their delivery experience. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can make this switch smoothly and efficiently. To begin, you'll need to open the Uber Eats app on your phone. If you're not logged in already, take a moment to do so using your credentials. Once you're in the app, locate the three horizontal lines in the upper left corner of the screen. This is often referred to as the menu icon or the hamburger icon due to its layered appearance. Tap on it to reveal a sidebar menu with various options. In this menu, you'll want to scroll down and click on the Help section. This area is designed to provide you with assistance for a wide array of questions and issues, including updates to your delivery vehicle. From the list of help topics, search for the Driving and Delivering section, which specifically addresses any driver-related queries. Afterwards, tap on Account and App, which should lead you to a list of account management tasks. Here, you'll find an option for updating your vehicle. Clicking on this will direct you to a page where you can manage the details related to your delivery vehicle. Now, you want to select Add, Remove, or Update a Vehicle. This is where you'll perform the switch from your bicycle to a scooter. You may be asked to provide some information about the scooter, such as its make, model, and perhaps even some documentation depending on your region's requirements. Make sure you have all the relevant details on hand to speed up the process. Next, you will see an option for Edit a Vehicle on my account. This is your chance to confirm the changes by updating the vehicle type from a bicycle to a scooter. Carefully go through the information to ensure everything is correct before proceeding. Once you've double-checked your entries, click on Next. This will guide you through any remaining steps needed to finalize the edit. You're almost done at this point, so just a few more clicks to go. Finally, after making all necessary adjustments, click on Done. This last step will save your changes and update your account to reflect that you're now using a scooter. You should receive confirmation in the app once everything is successfully updated. Congratulations, you've now switched your delivery vehicle type to a scooter on Uber Eats. This change can help you cover more ground with faster delivery times, potentially leading to more delivery opportunities and earnings. Thanks for following along, and happy delivering.